how to use ChatGPT on Mac. In today's digital age, artificial intelligence has made significant strides in the field of communication, life, and work. One such tool is ChatGPT, which can be immensely helpful in improving work productivity. However, how can you download and use ChatGPT for Mac? Many of you only use the ChatGPT with the browser, which may be very inconvenient for many users due to some restrictions. So you may ask whether there are any ways to download and use it on your Mac. Get Insider is here to provide you with essential tips and guidelines to download and use ChatGPT on your Mac. Here are the steps to do so. Download and install the MacGPT app on your Mac. Open the app and sign in to your ChatGPT account. Once you're signed in, the MacGPT icon will appear in your menu bar. Click on the icon to open the ChatGPT window. Type in your query and ChatGPT will provide you with a response.